Click on the link below to get price. The Handy Home Products Hudson 12x24 do-it-yourself wooden storage shed with floor kit is an impressive solution for anyone looking to expand their outdoor storage capabilities. This shed is designed with a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics, making it an excellent addition to any backyard. Constructed from high-quality, durable wood, the Hudson shed provides a sturdy structure that can withstand various weather conditions. The pre-cut lumber simplifies the assembly process, making it accessible even for those who may not be particularly handy. The step-by-step instructions are clear and concise, allowing for a smooth setup experience. Most users report completing the assembly in a weekend, especially with the help of a friend. One of the standout features of this shed is its spacious interior, measuring 12 by 24 feet, which offers ample room for storing gardening tools, outdoor equipment, or seasonal items. The built-in floor kit adds an extra layer of protection against moisture and pests, ensuring that your belongings remain safe and dry. The double doors provide easy access, making it convenient to retrieve items stored inside. The design of the Hudson shed is appealing, with a classic look that complements any outdoor setting. Its gable roof not only adds to the aesthetic but also provides additional headroom, making it easier to move around inside. Moreover, the option to paint or stain the wood allows for customization, enabling you to match it to your home's exterior. While the shed is primarily designed for storage, the versatility of the space allows for creative uses, such as a workshop or a garden retreat. However, it's essential to note that proper installation and regular maintenance will ensure its longevity. In conclusion, the Handy Home Products Hudson 12x24 do-it-yourself wooden storage shed with floor kit is a highly functional and visually appealing storage solution. Its ease of assembly, spacious interior, and customizable design make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor space.